Today's lesson is lesson 1-4, Powers of Monomials. What you will learn today: to find the power of a power and the power of a product. Key concept: power of a power. In words, to find the power of a power, multiply the exponents. What it means by power of a power, in the examples here with numbers, we have 5 to the second power to the third power. So what we do is we take the base stays the same, and we're going to multiply the exponent. So in this case, 2 times 3 equals 6. So our answer is 5 to the 6th power. Let's do this first example. Simplify using the laws of exponents. We have 8 to the 4th power to the 3rd power. So we're going to take the 8 and we're going to multiply our exponents. We're going to take 4 times 3. 4 times 3 we know is 12. So my answer is going to be 8 to the 12th power. Let's do the same thing for example 2, this time using variables. So my base remains the same. I'm going to take my exponents and multiply them together. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So my answer is k to the 35th power. Key concept: power of a product. Now remember, the word product means multiplication. So in this instance, to find the power of a product, or when we're multiplying, find the power of each factor and multiply. So numbers, we have 6 times x to the second power raised to the third power. So what we pretty much do is we're going to take that power of 3, going to split it into the 6, so that becomes 6 to the third power, and then we're going to take it to x to the second power. So now x to the second power becomes x to the second power times, or raised to the third power. When we simplify all of that, we get 216 times x to the 6. Remember, we're multiplying a power of a power, just like we did in examples 1 and 2. Let's look at example 3, simplify using the laws of exponents. So we have 4 times p to the third power, all of that raised to the fourth power. So I'm going to take my exponent of 4, and I'm going to place it above the 4. Let's simplify that. That becomes 256. And now I'm also going to take that 4 and make it the exponent of p to the third power. So I'm taking p to the third power, put parentheses around it, to the fourth power. And now, like we did in examples 1 and 2, let's multiply 3 times 4. So that gives us p to the 12th power. So our answer is 256 times p to the 12th power. Another example that we're going to simplify using the laws of exponents. Now we have negative 2 times m to the 7th power times n to the 6th raised to the 5th power. So now I'm going to take that 5th power, place it on the 2, so it's negative 2 to the 5th power. Let me put that in parentheses. The 5 is going to go to the m to the 7th power, so it's going to be m to the 7th power, again in parentheses, raised to the 5th power. And last but not least, I'm going to take the 5 again into n to the 6th power. So n to the 6th power raised to the 5th power. So let's simplify this. Negative 2 to the 5th power is negative 32. M to the 7th power raised to the 5th power, we're taking 7 times 5, which is 35. And then we're going to take n to the 6th power raised to the 5th power, multiply those. 6 times 5 is 30. So n to the 30th power. So our answer is negative 32 times m to the 35th times n to the 30th. Example 5, a word problem. A magazine offers a special service to its subscribers. If they scan the square logo shown on a smartphone, they can receive special offers from the magazine. Find the area of the logo. So we're looking for the area of this logo to the right, or QR code. Okay, We see that one side is 7 times a to the fourth power times b. To find the area of a square, it's side squared, or side to the second power, or side times side. So let's take that area, or side, I'm sorry. Our side is going to equal 7 times a to the fourth power times b. That replaces our s to the second power. Just like we've been doing earlier today, take that 7, square it, which is 49. Take the a to the fourth power. That's going to give us a to the eighth power. And last but not least, the 2 goes to the b squared, and b squared can be written just like that. So our final answer is 49 times a to the eighth power times b squared.